Hi friends, welcome you all to Think Maths. We are in class 10 Maths, chapter 9, some applications of trigonometry. In this session, we are going to discuss about example problems 5, 6 and 7. Example 5. The shadow of a tower standing on a level ground is found to be 40 meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree than when it is 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. So here AB is the tower. So what are all given? Let us start the solution. AB is the tower. So the shadow of a tower standing on a level ground. So when AB is the tower, BC is the shadow. So BC is the shadow when angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay, when angle of elevation is 60 degree, it is given as shadow of a tower standing on a level ground is found to be 40 meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree. So this is 40 meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree than when it is 60. So it means when it is 60 degree, BC is the shadow. So we can write when angle ACB. So angle ACB is the angle of elevation which is 60 degree. So BC is the shadow. So when the angle of elevation is 30 degree, the shadow is BD or DB. So we can write BD is the shadow when angle of elevation ADB. ADB equal to 30 degree. It is given as 30 degree. When sun's altitude is 30 degree, BD is the shadow. Now what happened to the shadow? The shadow is 40 meter longer. So when it is 60 degree, the shadow is BC. So when the angle of elevation is 30 degree, so it increases from BC with the value 40 degree. So from BC it increases to 40. So DC value will be 40. That is DB is nothing but DB or BD. BD is nothing but BC plus DC. So BC we don't know. DC is 40. It is given that 40 meter longer than when it is 60 degree. When it is 60 degree, it is BC. From BC, it is 40 meter longer. So BD will be BC plus 40. So these are the values we know. Now we have to find out height of the tower. So AB is the height of the tower. So we have to find out the value of AB. We have two right angles. So angle B is 90 degree. So we have two right angles ACB and ADB. So first right angle from right triangle ACB. So this is 60 degree. So this is the opposite side and this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. So we don't know AB. We have to find out AB. So BC is related with BD. So we can use BC and AB. So opposite and adjacent. So who matches for opposite and adjacent? You all remember this line? Some old hippie caught another hippie tripping on acid. So this is a trick to remember the trigonometric ratios. So take the first letter SOH. So sine opposite by hypotenuse, cos adjacent by hypotenuse, tan opposite by adjacent. So opposite and adjacent matches for tan. So we can write tan 60 degree equal to opposite. Which is the opposite side? AB. By adjacent side, it is BC. AB by BC. What is tan 60 degree? From the table, we will have tan 60 degree equal to root 3. So, root 3 is equal to AB by BC. So, now cross multiplying. So, just cross multiply in this way. We'll get root 3 into BC. So, root 3 by 1. So, 1 into AB is AB. So, AB is equal to root 3 into BC. So, root 3 BC. So AB is root 3 BC. Next, from the bigger triangle, so we can take from right triangle ADB. ADB. Here also we are going to use the opposite and adjacent. So it matches for tan. The value is 30 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to AB by, here adjacent side is BD or DB. So what is tan 30 degree? It is 1 by root 3. What is AB? AB is nothing but root 3 BC. So or we can just write AB. What is DB? So AB by, what is DB? DB is BC plus 40. So BC plus 40. Okay. So what is AB? AB is root 3 BC. So AB can be written as root 3 BC divided by BC plus 40. So now we have to cross multiply. So 1 into BC plus 40. So BC plus 40 equal to root 3 into root 3 BC. So root 3 into root 3. So inside the square root, if the values are same, the answer will be the value. That is 3. 3 BC. Here also BC plus 40. So what will you get? Keeping the BC here. Here 3 BC is there. So changing the side, we will get minus 3 BC equal to, what is the constant? Constant is plus 40. So I am changing the side. It will become minus 40. So BC minus 3 BC is minus 2 BC, which is equal to minus 40. So negative signs gets cancelled. So 2 BC is equal to 40. So BC will be equal to 40. 2 is in product. It will come to division. So 40 divided by 2. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 0. So it is 20. So BC equal to 20. What do you need? We need height of the tower. So what is the height of the tower? AB. So we have AB is equal to root 3 BC. So substituting there, AB will be equal to root 3. What is BC? It is 20. So we get 20 root 3 meter. So AB. So height of the tower is 20 root 3 meter. So at last you have to write the solution. Height of the tower. So height of the tower equal to 20 root 3 meter. Okay children. I hope you can understand this problem. So moving on to the next example. Example 6. The angles of depression of the top and the bottom of an 8-meter tall building from the top of a multi-storied building are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between the two buildings. Here it is about the angle of depression. We have 8-meter tall building and multi-storied building. So let me draw here. So this is 8-meter tall building. So it is AB. 8-meter tall building. Another building is multi-storied building. So it is here taller than this building. So multi-storied building. So let me join this line. Okay, I'm also going to join this line also. So this AB height and CD will be same. So CD will also be 8 meter. So as I just join from here, both their values will be same. Now what is given? the angle of depression of the top and the bottom. So top and the bottom of an 8-meter tall building from where? From top of a multi-story building. So from top of a multi-story building, angle of depression. So if it is angle of depression, the horizontal line will be above the angle. So from the top. So from the top of the multi-storied building to the top of the 8-meter building. So its top. So top is 30 degree. So this value will be 30 degree. Next, bottom. So from here to the bottom of the 8-meter building. So its angle is 45 degree. So it is given as 45 degree. For bottom, it is 45 degree. So these are the things given. We have to find out the height of the multi-story building. So let me keep this as P and this is Q. Okay. So height of the multi-storied building is PC. So PC is the height and the distance between the two buildings AC. So we have to find out AC and PC. So what are the things we know? AB and CD are equal and these two lengths are also equal and they are also parallel. So this is also a horizontal line and this will also be parallel to BD as well as AC. As PQ is parallel to BD, this PB is the transversal. So what will happen? This angle QPB will be equal to angle PBD. So this angle will make 30 degree. In the same way, PQ is parallel to AC. So AP is the transversal line. So AP is the transversal line means QPA will be equal to PAC. So this angle will be 45 degree. So what are the things we have? We have PQ parallel to BD. So and PB is the transversal. That means angle QPB will be equal to angle PBD which is equal to 30 degree. This is because alternate interior angles are equal. In the same way, PQ is parallel to AC. PQ is parallel to AC. So who is the transversal? PA. So PA is the transversal line. So if it is transversal line, we have angle QPA. Angle QPA will be equal to angle PAD. Angle PAC. I'm sorry, angle PAC which is equal to 45 degree. So these are the things we have known. Okay, now we have to find out PC and AC. Okay, children. So let me have this diagram. So this is the diagram. Okay. So we have to find out PC and AC. What we need to find? We have to find out PC and AC. Okay, we have AB is equal to CD is equal to 8 meter. AB equal to CD equal to 8 meter. Then we are using the right angle triangle. So this triangle is right angle at D and the bigger triangle PAC. It is right angle at C. So we can say from right triangle, first right triangle PBD. PBD. Here angle PBD is equal to 30 degree. Okay. So here we have 30 degree. We don't know PD. BD we doesn't know. So we are going to use the tan relationship. We doesn't need the value of PB or PA. So we have to find out the value of AC. AC is equal to BD and value of PC. So all are present in the opposite side and adjacent side. So opposite and adjacent matches for tan. So it is tan 30 degree equal to opposite. So who is the opposite side? PD. PD by BD. So what is tan 30 degree? Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 equal to PD by BD. So just cross multiply. Then 1 into BD is equal to BD equal to root 3 into PD. So this is one equation. Next we are going to use another triangle. So from right triangle PAC. PAC. Here angle PAC is equal to 45 degree. So in the same way, we are going to use the opposite side and adjacent side. So tan 45 degree equal to, so in this right triangle, PC is the opposite side. So PC by AC. What is PC? PC is nothing but PD plus DC divided by AC. What is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. So 1 is equal to PD plus DC divided by AC. So just cross multiply. 1 into AC will be equal to PD plus DC. So now we got AC is equal to PD plus DC. Also we have, what we have? We have AC. AC is equal to BD. So this is, we have constructed. So AC is equal to BD. Okay. So then we have DC or CD. CD is equal to AB is equal to 8 meter. So we are going to use these two relations here. So AC is equal to BD. So what happens to this? Instead of AC, put BD equal to PD. What is DC? DC is 8. So BD is equal to PD plus 8. Now what is BD? From this we have BD is equal to root 3 into PD. So instead of BD we can put root 3 PD equal to PD plus 8. So take PD to one side. So root 3 PD, this plus PD will become minus PD equal to remaining 8 is there. So taking PD outside, you will have remaining root 3 minus 1, PD is equal to 8. That means PD is equal to 8 divided by root 3 minus 1. Okay. So remaining calculation, we will do it in the next page. From the previous page, we have AB is equal to CD is equal to 8 meter, and we have proved AC is equal to PD plus DC, and we got PD is equal to 8 divided by root 3 minus 1. So in the denominator, if we have square root, we have to take the conjugate. Conjugate is nothing but instead of minus, we have to put plus and multiply with it on numerator and denominator. So we have to multiply by root 3 plus 1 in the denominator as well as in the numerator. So numerator we have 8 into root 3 plus 1 divided by, this is of the form a minus b into a plus b. So what is a minus b into a plus b? It is nothing but a square minus b square. So it is root 3 whole square minus b square. B square is 1 square. So we have 8 into root 3 plus 1. What is root 3 whole square? The square root will get cancelled. So it will be 3. Square root and 2 will get cancelled. So it will be 3 minus 1 square is 1. So we have 8 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2, 1 2s are 2, is 4. So we have 4 root 3 plus 1. So we got PD. So PD is equal to 4 root 3 plus 1. What we need? We need height of the multi-story building. So height of the multi-storied building equal to, so it is nothing but PC. So PC is nothing but PD plus DC. What is PD? PD is 4 root 3 plus 1. What is DC? DC is 8. DC or CD both are same. It is 8. So from this 8 we can take 4 as common. So if we take 4 as common, we have here root 3 plus 1. So from 8 if we take 4 as common, that will be 2. So it will be 4 into root 3 plus 1 plus 2 is 3. So height of the multi-storied building is 4 into root 3 plus 3 meter. Next we have to find distance between the two buildings. So let me write here distance between two buildings. Distance between two buildings is nothing but AC. What is AC? AC is nothing but PD plus DC. AC is nothing but PD plus DC. So PD plus DC is 4 root 3 plus 3. So which is equal to AC is nothing but PD plus DC. We found PD plus DC is 4 root 3 plus 3 meter. So both the values are same. Okay children, I hope you can understand this problem. So moving on to the last example of this session, example 7. From a point on a bridge across a river, the angles of depression of the banks on opposite sides of the river are 30° and 45° respectively. If the bridge is at a height of 3 meters from the banks, find the width of the river. Okay. So this figure is given here A and B. So this is the river. Here the rivers are going. So crossing. So here A and B are banks of the river. A point on the banks of the river. So let me write here A and B. So point on banks of the river. Then what is given? The angle of depression of the banks on opposite sides of the river are 30°. So it is about angle of depression. So there will be a horizontal line on top. So let me take a point on the bridge. So it is from, if the bridge is at a height of 3 meter from the banks. So this bridge is at a height 3 meter from the bank. So this is the bank of the river. So PD is equal to 3 meter. So P is a point on bridge. P is a point on bridge. So we have DP. DP is equal to 3 meter. Okay. Now AB is the width of the river. We have to find out AB. So AB is the width of the river, which we need to find out. Now where is angles of depression? So angles of depression of the banks on, so from the banks. So from the bank, angle of depression. So from the horizontal line, so this depression, angle of depression. So horizontal line will be on top if it is angle of depression. So from the bank, angle of depression is 30° on one side and on another side it is 45°. So this PD is 3 meter. We have to find out AB. So AB is nothing but AB is equal to AD plus DB. So we can use two right angles. So right angle at D, PAD and PDB. So what will be the value of PAD? So what is here? It is QPA is 30 degree. Now we have QP is a horizontal line and AD is also a horizontal line. So we have QP parallel to AD and PA is transversal. PA is transversal. So in the same as previous problem, we have QPA. Angle QPA will be equal to angle PAD. Angle PAD. So QPA is 30 degree. So PAD will also be 30 degree. The reason is alternate interior angles are equal. In the same way, PR. PR is parallel to DB. PR is parallel to DB and here PB is the transversal. PB is the transversal line. So we have angle RPB is equal to RPB is equal to PBD. Angle PBD which is 45 degree. The reason is alternate interior angles are equal. Okay. So we found this angles as 30 degree and this angle as 45 degree. Now we can use the right angle triangle. From right triangle PAD. PAD. What we need to find? We need to find this AB. So in this right angle, so let me draw here P and this is D point and this is A point. So this is the angle 30 degree. So opposite, this is adjacent and this is hypotenuse. So we need to find AB. AB, we have AD and we know PD. PD is 3 meter. So that is between opposite and adjacent. So same tan relation. So tan 30 degree equal to opposite side. Opposite side is PD divided by adjacent side is AD. What is tan 30 degree? It is nothing but 1 by root 3. What is PD? It is 3. 3 by AD. Now just cross multiply. 1 into AD is AD equal to 3 into root 3. So 3 root 3 meter. So we got 1 half. AD is equal to 3 root 3. So in the same way, another triangle that is from right triangle PDB. PDB. So let me draw here. This is PDB. We have this angle as 45 degree. So this is opposite, adjacent and opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So we know PD, we need DB. So it is also between opposite and adjacent. So tan matches. So tan 45 degrees equal to PD by DB. What is tan 45? It is 1. What is PD? PD is 3. So 3 divided by DB. So just cross multiply. So 1 into DB is DB. 1 into 3 is 3 meter. So we have AD is equal to 3 root 3. DB is equal to 3 meter. So what we need to find? We need to find AB. What is AB? AB is AD plus DB. AD plus DB. What is AD? It is 3 root 3. DB is 3. So 3 is common. Taking 3 common outside, it is root 3 plus 1 meter. So it means AB is nothing but width of the river. So writing the solution, width of the river equal to 3 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Okay children, I hope you can understand all the examples. If you like my video, just share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching.